guys, it's Steve from Water Sports West. We just did our first test ride of the new Pelican Hydryve pedal kayak. This $14.99 boat is rated to 425 pounds and super stable, super easy to pilot. It pedals very nicely and efficiently. Steer it with your left hand. It's very responsive. We got about 10 mile an hour wind here, and man, it just went right upwind very easily. Also tested it standing up. It's very stable standing up. Feel like I can fish all day on it. Comes with 4 flush mount rod holders, 4 yak attack style of tracks in the deck, and I think we got a real winner here. Very comfortable, adjustable seat. Steve from Water Sports West. We demo these daily and also by appointment, and also we rent them. Come see us in the Tampa Bay area and read more about the new Pelican pedal boat at watersportswest.com. Thanks for watching.